Hello, my shiny minds. I am Shiny, and you are here to create your own shiny mind. Learn to persuade in only 5 minutes. Today, we're going to talk about incredible tips about persuasion. You know, persuasion, convincing someone, is an art as much as it is a science. And it all begins in the mind. It's a mindset. Everything is a mindset game. Whatever you do by using your communication, your language, your thinking, guess what? It all begins in your mind. Your life begins in your mind. And your persuasion also begins in your mind. Think about the last time somebody persuaded you to do something. Maybe to go for a long walk, or maybe to buy something for them. Whatever that is, somebody did something or somebody said something, and then you were convinced and then you acted on it. What happened? Why did you get persuaded? What was the reason behind that action and that decision? What happened? When you go deeper into the art and science of persuasion, you're gonna understand that it is related with your needs and your emotions. If you're ready, let's talk about them. Number one, what they told you matched your needs. Maybe they gave you an offer to buy something, and at that time, you had the need to buy that, so that the benefit of buying whatever the offer that you were buying, maybe like you got a dress, right? So the last time you were persuaded by the salesperson, the sales lady at the store to buy the dress, maybe you were feeling not so sure, and then she said something that reminded you how it would make you feel. And at that moment, your needs actually popped up like a popcorn, and you actually felt a great match. So the offer matched your needs. That's number one. Number two, maybe what she said also touched somewhere deep inside of you, some emotions. Maybe you were feeling lonely that day, or maybe you were feeling sad. You needed a state change, a boost, a mental love, something. So maybe she did something, she said something that touched your heart so beautifully, so deliciously, that it was a match again, and your emotions made the decision for you. You know what I'm talking about, right? I'm pretty sure you do. So then, by just analyzing what happened and how you yourself got persuaded and got convinced, you know what you're gonna do? You are going to actually use these cues and clues, and you're going to reverse engineer them, and you are going to go to the person that you want to persuade, and you are going to listen to hear what they need. You're going to listen to get their needs, and you're going to give them an offer to match their needs. And you're also going to have a conversation to understand their emotions. And of course, you need emotional intelligence for that. And when you understand their emotions, you're going to give them an offer to match their emotions. That's how you are going to persuade someone. And if you would love to learn more, of course, I am going to share a link below so that you can click and study deeper into the language, like NLP language, hypnotic language patterns, how to convince someone and how to persuade someone. You get the idea. You're just gonna win. So there you have it. They were my tips for you to persuade anyone quickly. Hope you liked it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. What do you do when you want to persuade someone? Is there a special trick? What is it? Share with us and share with your friends. And of course, you want to subscribe to my channel, because I am going to share even more tips with you to persuade, to win, to create a shiny mind. Why wouldn't you? Of course. So, my friend, you and I, we are here to create a much better world with a lot of love and shiny minds.